to my first ever vlog with Leo.
Our vlog.
He's a total pro. He's showing me how to vlog.
Maya and Miguel. Have you seen that show?
No.
Brother and sister.
Yeah, but you haven't seen Friends either, so.
No one told me life. You can see all my fat rolls. Stop. You need to.
Alright, so currently it's 12:10.
You tagged like a professional vlogger.
And Leo's gonna make us breakfast, right? It's cold. Turn it down.
It's cold?
Hi, Dagmar.
This is Dagmar. Dagmar, say hi to all our fans watching live.
Alright, let's continue. Here's a cute dog.
Does it look like it?
Yeah. Except you're not
It's
cute.
not good. Okay, so come over here. We're gonna show you.
Oh my god, room tour.
Whose clothes is in here? Oh, it's my clothes. So we're gonna first set it on super clean.
Welcome to Laundry with Camille featuring Leo.
What's this little Oh, that's the zoom. Okay, I'm
It's
just.
so unprofessional. I thought you were a professional vlogger, Leo.
I'm actually pretty professional. So now we're gonna pull the button. This is pull to start. So.
No, you can't do that.
We have bleach, but it's the flavored type, I think.
Wow.
Iceland Blossom Bleach.
Delicious. That's my favorite drink ever.
We're gonna use Gain. I like Gain a lot. So we're gonna protein powder. Man,
I actually don't know how to do laundry. I've never done laundry before.
Who does your laundry?
Hi, Mom. I put away my clothes though, but I've just never done this.
And we add a little bit more of this, so there's not enough bubbles. There's not enough bubbles. You want it to have a lot of bubbles.
You like it bubbly?
Yeah, it needs to be bubbly, so like, ooh.
Alright, I'm gonna show you guys.
Okay, we're both going to.
I'm gonna show you guys how good I am at playing the piano. I'm really good.
First of all, you can't even, you flipped it all the way up. It's only the normal one.
Okay, stop.
Oh, our hands would look so cute playing piano.
I can do
Amateur, my turn.
Wait.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wait, one more for me.
Little lamb, Mary had a little lamb that swam in quiet snow.
Oh, I can do. Wait, how do you do hot cross buns? It goes. Wait.
No.
Okay. Wait.
I have a recorder. I can play it on my recorder.
I can play the recorder.
Ready, everyone? I'm gonna show you the professional way of doing it.
Ah, Diego.
This song is called "Purpose" by Justin Bieber.
All right.
What's the next lyric?
I don't know what you're singing.
Purpose by Justin Bieber. Have you ever heard it?
No, let's go. Let's see. Let's look at all of Leo's old pictures. This is Leo.
That's not Leo. That's someone else.
That's Leo. Aw, little Dagmar. So cute.
She's gotten prettier with age. I'm still ugly and fat.
Alright, so let's do a house tour of Leo's house.
So first we're gonna get all the dirty black laundry. Oh, there's no black laundry. Like here's like some. Some.
This is Leo's room. Look at all these airplanes. Ooh, impressive. Is that yours?
Yeah.
Dang, they're pretty big.
I know. Did I say stop? Okay. So now we're gonna get all the dirty clothes. I used that right before.
I thought we were doing a room tour.
Oh, I got you something.
Really?
It's a late birthday present, but
I don't like trail mix, but I'll eat the M&Ms.
I don't like chocolate.
Tony! Leo, let's go.
You didn't even land it.
I used to, but I don't know how to do it anymore.
Hold my phone. Hold your phone. Hold your phone. How do you do that?
You just push yourself forward.
I'm scared.
Forward. Move back though.
I'm gonna do it back with the stick.
You wanna do a back flip?
I'm scared.
Can you do a handstand?
I can't do anything.
I used to be able to do a back bend and kick over.
I'm fat. I still
I
do.
used to be able to do like a front handstand thing. And yeah, that's it.
Oh no, we need to sit all with you. What do I do?
Here you go. Here you go. Whoa, she landed it too.
I can do it.
The only things I can do are that. Can you do a back handspring?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Let's see it.
Whoa! That was so cool, Leo.
Must be nice to have talent.
They taught me that at tumbling.
Let's do lightning mixers. Ready?
You can't kick on your feet.
Yes, you can.
We're in Leo's room. I have started packing for him because he's leaving me
Thanks, Mom.
for a month to go to Puerto Rico. Anyways, I packed for him. Look how good this looks. Okay, yeah, bye. Said I'm vlogging. We're making popcorn.
I think I hear a new style. This is the white people style here. Look. I think you should stop it now.
No.
It's not popping anymore.
Whoa.
Oh god. You shake it up. Oh. Shake it up. Make sure all that butter spreads evenly. Let me wash my hands. It has Pompeii on it.
Okay. Oh god, I love popcorn. It's fun.
Where's my hair looking on camera? Oh, whoa, it's nice.
Okay, you open it and then you put it in the bowl like this. Yeah.
While you eat popcorn, I'm gonna make myself.
Ooh, it's really buttery too.
Whoa! Come on, did you eat the last ramen noodles? Did you eat the ramen noodles? Those were mine. You're getting off fighting in the background.
And then we take this and we come over here and we throw it away like that.
I'm gonna make ramen.
Okay, good.
Nasty stuff.
Ooh.
And then we get a. And for you and for me. Come with me over here.
Come over to the next station.
Do you smell that?
That smells good.
I know, it's really good. There's all the seasoning down there. The Access seasoning. No.
Chef Leo.
Chef Leo.
I don't need my dad.
Munyan.
Leo.
Chef Munyan. Now we go over here to the next station. Make sure we don't want water everywhere, so.
Wow. Next station. Station 3.
Now we serve. So the most important part is preparation and serving because we need to make the serving look really pretty. So now we add just stuff all over. A little bit there. That's some for you so you can try it. And if you like it, we'll give you more.
Thanks.
And this is the rest for me.
One home.
Are you learning?
Sweet cream.
Is it bad?
It's really good.
The herbs are in there, but it's good. I like the herbs.
It's just really long.
You bring me home.
Alright, so
Wait, update everyone. We're here.
We're at
Whoa, I look
Lodge
tan.
because Leo is dumb and he forgot a bunch of stuff. He was staying here. So yeah.
And I think I still have my room key, so let's hope it's still open. Let's go, everyone.
Yeah, that Jolly Rancher, so my tongue is blue. Yeah, so fun. Wait, oh my god, wait.
Camille, hurry, record it. So we're number 6, going up to 7. 7. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Leo's a ladies' man, by the way, guys. Look him up. This is not work.
It doesn't work anymore.
Aww.
Oh my heart.
Well, we're screwed. Now we're back in the elevator. What did you think? You thought we were actually gonna be able to go back into your room?
Because I forgot to input for something. I'm gonna ask downstairs.
Ready, Leo?
It's not filming, is it?
Yeah, it is.
It is? Oh
Yeah.
my god.
You ready?
1, 2, 1. Cause the neighbors think I'm selling dope.
Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope.
Okay, the neighbors think I'm selling dope.
Selling dope, selling dope, selling dope, selling dope. Ready? Yeah. I don't want the picture of the president. I just want to talk to the man. Speak for the boys in the band. Apologize, I'm harping again. I do things happen often, but I'm back on the scene. I was lost in a dream. As I write this, a team down in Austin. I've been building me a house back home in the South. I believe what it's costing, and it's fit for a king, right? Or a nigga that can sing and explain all the pain that it cost him. My 16 should have came with a coffin for the fame and the fortune. Well, maybe not the fortune, but one thing is for sure that the fame is exhausting. That's why I moved away. I needed privacy, surrounded by the trees and ivy leaves.
Half a mile, turn right onto North Terrace Parkway.
Do that to me.
Crib has got a big back of yard. My niggas